Hey everybody, welcome to FAQ, the frequently asked questions. The question is, how do I make edits to my YouTube channel? The YouTube Studio is the hub for managing your channel. This is where you can post videos, make edits to those videos, and to your channel. So to update your basic info, like your name, your profile picture, the banner on your YouTube channel, you can log into the customization portion in the studio. You'll find that to the left in the menu about 3/4 of the way down. Now, you can also make changes to your channel using the mobile app. So if you download the YouTube Studio app, you can make channel changes right from your mobile phone. All you have to do is tap your channel and then edit the channel to update. So that's it. Also, keep in mind, you can only change your channel's name 3 times every 90 days. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Our YouTube gods love it when you do that. And it says, hey, you like this. And if you would, please consider subscribing to my channel.